Hello, Bear Room parents. I wanted to talk about two of the more common ways we teach subtraction, just to make sure that you can help on homework when needed. Well, the first way we introduce it is just simply by drawing out these pictures. So 9 minus 2, you would have 9 circles. Minus 2, they would simply make a break apart stick here and cross out those 2. I like to use just one line to cross them out because it looks like the minus sign, and we relate those together quite a bit. And of course, they can count up the rest of the circles and they know there are 7. If they didn't have a paper in front of them, or if they didn't have the circle drawing and they were just doing one, they would just draw their own circle. So if it was, let's say, 5 minus 3, I would expect them to actually draw out those 5 circles. 3, 4, 5. And then break apart stick at 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross those out. And they can see that there are 2 left. And that all makes quite a bit of sense to them. They do that really well. Now when we advance a little bit, they want to use fingers and stuff. And that is also really good. But I'll tell you, it is a better strategy when they're younger to teach them to count up. So for example, I'll do number 8 here, where it's 9 minus 7. They could do this on fingers, so I'll do it with fingers or with circles. What we tell them to do is start at the partner. Again, they know that totals, partners. They know 9 is the total, 7 is the partner, and we're trying to find the other partner. What they can do is start at the partner 7 and count up like this. 7, and then with fingers they would count up 8, 9. And they know there are 2 more needed to make 9. So because they know 9 minus 7 is 2, they know 2 plus 7 is 9. If they didn't want to use fingers and they wanted to use like circles instead, they could simply draw those circles like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so they would count up to the total of 10, and they would see they have 5, 6, 7 needed to make 10. So because 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 equals 10. That's a way that they can check their work. So either using circles or fingers, starting at the partner and counting up, or by using the circle drawings and crossing out. Either one of those is a good way to teach. A lot of parents are tempted to count backwards with students, but we found that that is more confusing than helpful most of the time.